Tired of waiting hours for your iPhone to charge? The 20W USBCPD wall charger with a 3-foot USB-C to Lightning cable delivers charging speeds up to 3 times faster than the standard 5W Apple charger. Imagine powering your iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes, giving you more time to stay connected and less time tethered to the wall. This fast charger isn't just about speed. It's Apple MFi Certified, meaning it meets Apple's strict standards for safety and performance. The built-in MFi chip protects your devices and cables from overheating, excessive current, short circuits, and overcharging. So you can charge with confidence, knowing your iPhone or iPad is safeguarded. Not only does this charger boost your charging speed, but it also supports data transfer. Connect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod directly to your MacBook or MacBook Pro and enjoy fast 480 megabits per second sync speeds. That means quicker backups and smoother file transfers without needing extra adapters or cables. The kit includes one 20W PD wall charger and one USB-C to Lightning cable, both usable separately. Whether you need a replacement cable or an extra charger for travel, this set covers all bases. It's a smart buy for anyone juggling multiple Apple devices or sharing with family and friends. Compatibility is broad, covering the latest iPhone models like the iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 series, and even older models such as the iPhone XR, XS, and SE 2020. It also works with select Samsung Galaxy phones and other USB-C devices, making it a versatile addition to your tech arsenal. Portability is a key advantage here. The charger's compact design slips easily into your pocket, backpack, or purse. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just moving around the house, it's ready to deliver fast power without bulk or hassle. Safety certifications from UL, ETL, FCC, CE, and RoHS reinforce the reliability of this charging set. It's built to meet high safety standards so you can charge your devices overnight or during busy days without worry. The 3-foot USB-C to Lightning cable is Apple MFi certified, ensuring it won't trigger any warning messages on your device. That seamless compatibility means you get fast, stable charging and data syncing every time you plug in. If you're looking for a fast, safe, and reliable way to keep your Apple devices powered up, this 20W USBCPD wall charger and Lightning cable combo is worth a look. It saves you valuable time and protects your investment in expensive tech. Plus, the package comes with a 1-year replacement guarantee. Should any issues arise, customer support promises to respond within 24 hours, giving you peace of mind alongside high performance. Charging your iPhone or iPad doesn't have to slow you down. With this fast charger, you reclaim your day, whether that means more time for work, play, or staying connected with loved ones. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience. Faster power, safer connections, and broad compatibility make this a practical choice for anyone serious about their Apple devices. Don't settle for the slow, outdated chargers that came in the box. This 20W USBCPD wall charger and Apple MFi certified Lightning cable deliver what you need: speed, safety, and convenience in one compact package. Whether you're charging at home, in the office, or on the go, this set adapts to your lifestyle. It's a smart investment that keeps your devices ready whenever you need them. If that's you, someone who values efficiency and reliability, this fast charging set fits perfectly. It's designed to meet the demands of modern Apple users without compromise. Charge smarter, not longer. The 20W USBCPD charger and Lightning cable combo offers a clear upgrade over standard chargers, freeing up your time and keeping your devices healthy. With wide compatibility, you don't have to worry about switching cables or chargers for different devices. One charger, One cable, multiple uses, simple and effective. In short, this fast charging duo changes the way you power your Apple gear. It's safe, certified, and built to perform, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to cut down charging time without sacrificing safety.